friends, I'll be talking about in this video the factors that can affect the basicity of nitrogen. Previously I have described 5 or 6 factors that can affect basicity in separate videos. If you haven't watched those videos, please watch so, and if you haven't subscribed this channel, please subscribe so. Alright, so in this video I'll be talking about the factor that can affect the basicity of nitrogen, and in which nitrogen acts as a Pi-Acceptor. Previously I have discussed about the nitrogen where nitrogen acts as a pi donor in case of amides. Now if you look at the pyridine, the nitrogen in pyridine acts as a pi donor, but it doesn't have any Pi-Acceptor, or it does not contain any substituents, hence the pKa of pyridine is 5.2. What about 4-dimethylamino-pyridine? This nitrogen containing 2 methyl groups acts as a pi donor. Now this nitrogen is involved in resonance, hence it pushes its electron density, or it donates electron density through a resonance effect and provides a negative charge on this nitrogen via resonance form, and making this nitrogen most basic compared to pyridine. So the concept involved in this question was that nitrogen acts as a Pi-Acceptor, whereas in pyridine there is no donor, hence it is less basic compared to this 4-dimethylamino-pyridine where N and dimethyl acts as a donor. The lone pair of the nitrogen on N and dimethyl acts as a donating group via resonance form, and it provides electron density to this nitrogen, and this nitrogen as a result gets negative charge and becomes more basic. So which is more basic, pyridine or DMAP? DMAP is more basic compared to pyridine, hence it has pKa of 9.2. Higher the pKa value, higher will be the basicity. I hope you like this video. See you with the next video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Bye.